This is the House Lannister, and we would like to get a team of medical researchers to come and investigate a murder. So Tyrion Lannister killed his father, Tywin, and we're sure of it, but he's saying that he was too drunk to have been the one to do it.
Sir, we received a call from Lannister House. They're requesting your help about a murder.
Oh wow. This looks like a case for the Calcaholics.
After reviewing the data, guys, it's come to my attention that this is something we can solve with integration by parts. Something we learned in Robert's class. Wow, man, this stuff really did come in handy.
We decided that we needed to bring in an expert to get a better handle on things.
So hi guys, the whole question is Tyrion guilty? Was his blood alcohol content too high for him to commit the crime of killing his father? Well, one of the first questions we analyze is graphing the derivative, which is written right here, and drawing the graph and analyzing it. And what we notice is that here, the graph is decreasing until it reaches about 22 minutes. And here the math indicates just that. So this is the equation we came up with to find the rate in milligrams per milliliter per minute for the change of blood alcohol concentration with T equal to in minutes. And this is what that equation follows. As you see it's decreasing the blood alcohol content to about 21.429 minutes. So the next question we were analyzing was what would the equation be, the antiderivative of this rate? We solved that using integration by parts. And integration by parts, as you can see right here, we chose U to be the 0.0225 minus 0.00105 T, and we chose our e to the power of negative 0.0467 T as our V. And as you can see here, we took the du, the dv, and we did the math here, and our final equation was e to the power of negative 0.467 T times 0.02248 T minus 0.00042 plus C. Now, one of the questions that's asked is assuming that C of 0 or C of 0 is equal to 0. And that's what we did right here. And we solved for C. Solving for C, we got 0.00042.
So the graph that we have here is going to be the antiderivative, and as you can see that it the max is 21.435, which is very close to our derivative of equals 0 at 21.429. So this graph is showing us that the blood alcohol content is raising for the first 21 minutes, and then after that it's going to be decreasing. It's also giving us the highest point of the blood alcohol content, which is going to be 0.17. Okay, so from the second derivative, or from the antiderivative, we were able to take the second derivative that we use the power rule to obtain, and we were able to determine that the blood alcohol content was decreasing the fastest at around 43 minutes, approximately. You can see at the graph right here that at 42.82 minutes, the content was a negative value, but at 42.83 minutes, it was a positive value. So that's where it switched. So it's approximately 43 minutes.
According to our data, Tyrion would not have been able to hold the crossbow, load it, and fire it if he was indeed drunk. When he alleges that he was drunk. At t equals 10 minutes, his blood alcohol content was 0.14.
According to the Student Wellbeing McDonald Center of the University of Notre Dame website, a blood alcohol content of 0.0130 to 0.159% would do the following: gross motor impairment and lack of physical control, blurred vision, and a major loss of balance. Euphoria is reducing and beginning dysphoria, which is a state of feeling unwell. Because Tyrion's blood content falls within this range at 0.1406, he was drunk. Not guilty.
Tyrion is not guilty.
Is not guilty.
Tyrion is not guilty.